Practicing speaking along with video clips helps improve speaking and listening skills. It familiarizes you with the correct pronunciation, accent, and speech rhythm. Additionally, it boosts confidence in using the language, as you get to practice real-world sentence structures and vocabulary, leading to faster language learning. Let's start a conversation about waiting in line for coffee. It's a busy morning, isn't it?
It sure is. I wasn't expecting the line to be this long.
Same here, but I guess that's what happens when the weather is nice, everyone's out and about.
Yeah, that's true. Do you come here often?
Pretty often. They make great coffee here. How about you?
I'm new to the area, so I'm still exploring. Any recommendations on places to visit around here?
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. If you like parks, you should check out Rotfi Park. It's perfect for a relaxing walk.
That sounds great. I'll definitely give it a try. Thanks for the tip.